In this video, we'll be installing a web browser for development. If you already have a browser like Chrome or Firefox that you like to develop in, then you can go ahead and skip this video. Otherwise, we're just going to go over installing Chrome or Firefox. And we're not going to install any special versions, no development versions, just the default consumer version. So if you already have that, then you can skip this video. Now, I personally use Chrome. You can get to Chrome by going to google.com/chrome/browser, and then I think it's /desktop, or you can just type in Chrome into a Google search and it'll find it for you. Go ahead and download it, and if you have a Google account, go ahead and sign in. It's not really necessary for this course. If you don't like Google, you can use Firefox. That's just mozilla.org I think it's just /Firefox. Again, you can Google it and find the correct URL. And go ahead and download that. Once you have a web browser that you like, either Google Chrome or Firefox, then you'll need an extension called React DevTools. And this is a development tool that gives you a lot of power over debugging your React. It lets you inspect React code and components very similarly to how you would inspect regular HTML code. It also lets you look at any data that your components have. So in order to get React DevTools, just do a Google search for React DevTools. The URLs tend to change often, and even if they didn't change, this one has really weird characters at the end. So just Google it and look for the web browser that you use. So for Chrome, it's in the Chrome Web Store. And I already have it installed, so go ahead and just click Add to Chrome. And if you use Firefox, then it's a little further down the line, or you can just put React DevTools Firefox and go ahead and install that. Since I'm using Chrome right now, it's saying you need to download Firefox. If you use Firefox, then it won't tell you this, and you can add it to Firefox automatically.